In this video today, we will see how to back up the contact which are present in your Android device to a Google account or a Gmail account and then restore it to your same device or to another device. Now whenever you buy an Android device, then when you have to set the Android device, you have to use a Google account or a Gmail account. So you can back up your contact in the same Gmail account. We will go to settings, we will go to accounts and backup. Then we will go to accounts here. Now these are the Gmail account which I have used in my Android device. Suppose if I want to back up my contact in this Gmail account, I will tap on it. Then I will go to sync account and I need to make sure that this contact button it is enabled. So when I enable this contact button, then all of the contact which are present in my Android device, it will be synced and saved to this Google account. So if I need to make sure whether the contacts are saved or not, what I can do is I can open a browser. Let me open a Chrome browser, and then from here I can open a site contact.google.com, and I need to log into the same Gmail account, and from here I can see that the contacts are saved in the Gmail account. So once the contacts are saved, and if you want to restore this contact to a new device or to the same device after you format it, then the most important thing is you need to use the same Gmail account in this device. So once you use the same Gmail account in this device or a new device, then again you will go to the settings, then you will go to accounts and backup, you will go to accounts, you will go to that Gmail account, you will go to sync account and make sure that the contact button it is enabled. By default the contact buttons should be enabled, and when the contacts are synced and saved, you can go to the phone icon and go to the contact here, and here you will be able to see whether the contacts are downloaded and saved or not. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.